Managing Outlook contacts is essential for organizing, importing, or copying to Android or iOS. Exporting them to Excel simplifies integration across platforms. This guide presents 5 easy methods to export Outlook contacts to Excel, helping you find the right approach. Number 1. How to export Outlook contacts to Excel via Import or Export option. Open Outlook and go to File, Open and Export. Import Export. Select Export to a file and Next. Choose your contact folder and Next. Click Browse for the location, then Next. Select Map Custom Fields to customize. Number 2. How to export Outlook contact group into Excel by C&P. Launch Outlook on your PC. Select the People View icon. Choose List from the current view menu. Minimize unnecessary fields. Copy the desired contacts and paste them into Excel. Number 3. How to export contacts from Outlook to Excel via Outlook Web. Sign into your Outlook.com account. Select People in the bottom left. Click Manage. Then Export Contacts. Choose to export all contacts or from a specific folder. Then click Export. Click Save to download contacts, CSV. Number 4. How to export contacts from Outlook 365 to Excel on Mac. Export contacts in Outlook for Mac. Open People. Select File, Export. Choose Contacts, Continue. Name file. Select Location. Click Save. Click Finish. Import contacts. Go to Import Export. Select Export to a file, CSV. Next. Set path. Number 5. How to export global address list from Outlook to Excel. Open Outlook. Go to Address Book. Select Global Address List. Press Ctrl+A. Right-click. Select Add to Contacts. Open Contacts. Go to File, Import Export. Choose Export CSV. Save and CSV in Excel. Copy emails. Extra tips. How to export Outlook contacts to Android directly. Looking to back up your Outlook contacts to an Android device? For easy access and management, Mobikin Assistant for Android offers a comprehensive solution for file migration and management that surpasses typical standards.